What's up, y'all? We out here at this car show. Huh? Right, fuck it. We out here at this car show, y'all. I'm gonna have to turn the phone around so y'all can see it. But it's lit right here by my house. There's hella people out here right now, so y'all can see some of the cars.
That's what New York called me, Mixie. They say you always gonna mix something.
It's deep out here, y'all. We finally found something. We just ran up on it. We didn't even know. It's pretty lit though. Look, let me show y'all. Hold on, let me turn around so I can show y'all the cars. Got some lit ones though. I'm like, we right in the middle. I don't like being all in the middle of anything. No, I ain't tripping though. Oh, look at this red one. Hold on, y'all. Let me tell y'all this red one. Oh, look. Let me show y'all. That's lit. Look at this red one right here. There's so many cars, y'all. I don't even know which one to show y'all. But this red one right here is lit. That's pretty dope. There's so many cars out here, y'all. I don't even know. I'm gonna keep walking and show y'all some more. Where's Shantae go? Oh, she in the front. Oh, this one's at the top too, look. That's dope. I'm gonna go to some more cars. When we get to the other side, I'm gonna show y'all some more. It's deep out here. Hella people. Hella people. Pretty lit though. No lie. So now we walking out. That purple one's lit. Right? This is pretty dope. It's a lot of people too. This is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Oh, look! Hold on, y'all. Let me get this car. Y'all see that?
How we need to start doing stuff like this.
Yeah. And we just ran across this. We just ran across this. We didn't even even know that there was even any type of car show or anything.
They're over in his old car.
Right by the Creed's Naive. It's pretty dope.
We're out of here now.
Hella people though.
Get this car right here. This is my dream car right here.
Oh yeah.
I think this is a 95, 97 black on black.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah.
Boo would have loved this though. He would have had a ball at
This
this.
is my favorite car right here. This one. I had a little model car. I got a model car made of this car. Swear.
Really?
Ask the kids. Black on black.
Oh shit. We gonna cross down here. Fuck it.
But last night.
Him right here. He gonna let us go. Sir.
Sir, we trying to get across the street. It's so packed.
Wait. Sir, you better act like the motherfucking school crossing guard.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Hold on. Okay. Okay. He could have hold on and let us go. So I don't know if I was recording last time, but that's dope. All right, y'all. Oh, it's kind of dark right here. My bad. So we done left the car show now because it was deep, deep, deep. Like you could barely walk in some spots, but it was lit. But we left. We back at Shantae house now. We over at the homegirl house, Eunice, the neighbor. But I had to come to my car to get some swishers because I left them in the car. My hair is toe up, y'all. Oh, but do y'all like my hair? I'm put it down so y'all can see it, but I got it in a ponytail right now because the wind blowing a little bit. But I don't even think I said it earlier though, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go in the car real quick. Whew. Okay. Okay. My bad, y'all. I know y'all like this video is all over the place because this show is. But, like I was saying, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell too so y'all don't never, ever, ever miss a motherfucking video. And I'm so sorry, y'all, because I know I have not been posting like I need to. Shantae was actually just getting on me about that too. I'm finna start getting back on it and posting because I got content for y'all. Even if it's just vlogs, like I told you. Even if it's just vlogs, I'm gonna try and get some challenges in there. But I do need some ideas from y'all. Y'all give me some ideas, I can do it. Y'all tell me what y'all want to see. I get it done. But yeah, I'm gonna start uploading a lot more. Seriously, y'all, for real. Because I've been slacking. It's kind of dark. Then we finna walk over here to the homegirl house, Eunice. Shantae neighbor, she cool. Her house is like old school, like old fashioned. Like the diners, like the 1950s, 60s. It's cute though, it's pink, it's tight. This damn dog though, that ain't cute. Hold on. It's me.
It was gonna take them 3 weeks. Hey, you guys?
This is the pink chairs. Thank you, girl. We got the Patron. Shantae right here. I'm not gonna show y'all her house like that, but.
After Monday,
Huh?
after Sunday, it's not like same about to be on tomorrow.
Oh yeah, but it's really tight though. Oh look, some of the stuff I'm gonna show you, like I told y'all, like that. I like that. The cereal thing. And that picture too. But everything is literally pink. But I'm gonna be back, y'all. We finna roll up and chill for a minute, and I'll be back.
What you mean? No, like I can't touch your shit.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna end this video because we about to go home. Got to work in the morning. We chilling. But yeah, make sure y'all tell a friend and tell a friend.
Tonight was full of surprises.
It really was. We had fun. The car show, we didn't even expect that, and we had a lot of fun. And then we was drinking this.
And
Look at how much we drunk. And then this. And then this. It's just, you know.
Oh, party foul. You guys are recording that? You guys are bitches.
Drunk the drink.
All over.
We'll pour you some more in there.
That's okay.
Wait, we need a towel. You got a towel or something? You want to pour some more in there? She said that means I don't need no more.
How did I do that?
Your hand, I think, hit it. Dropped it, listen. But yeah, y'all, I just want to come back on and end this video because we're finna go home now. So make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to. And we'll see y'all in the next video because there will be more videos to come. And you will see you in the next video too. All right, y'all. Peace.